meantime, let's put out exactly when it comes to the war of words that have been taking place over this issue, because the Congress party seems to be demanding transparency in this case. As Rahul Gandhi, now what we have learned when this meeting was taking place, gave the dissent note to the Prime Minister and to the Union Home Minister. Now this row over CEC appointment that is now escalated to another level that we are looking at. Of course, when this matter that has now been taken up on the decision that the government officially made that announcement of Gyanesh Kumar taking over charge as the new CEC. Now already we have seen, especially when it comes to the panel meeting of the new CEC appointment, where Prime Minister Modi was present, Union Home Minister was present. However, this is Rahul Gandhi's dissent note that is now taken forward. Priya, what we are learning as far as giving that dissent note to the Prime Minister and to the Union Home Minister, saying that wait till the time the Supreme Court actually decides on the matter.
Right. Now, Times Now had already been telling you what were the objections that were raised by the Congress party in that meeting that happened yesterday to pick the new CEC in Gyanesh Kumar. Now, we have a document that has been put out, the dissent note in detail that has been put out by Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi himself. He points out 5 main points in this dissent note that he had highlighted, why he is objecting, mainly to 2 things. First, the team, the composition of the panel that has decided to pick the new CEC, as well as the timing of this selection. Now, when it comes to the team, he says that one of the fundamental aspects of Independent Election Commission is that it is free from executive interference, and that is about the process of choosing the EC and CEC. By violating the Supreme Court order and removing the Chief Justice of India from the committee, Modi government has exacerbated the concerns of hundreds of millions of voters over the integrity of our electoral process, is what he is saying. He says, as an LOP, it is my duty to uphold the idea of Baba Saheb Ambedkar and founding leaders of our nation and hold the government to account. It is disrespectful and discourteous, he says, on the part of Prime Minister and Home Minister to have a midnight decision to select the new CEC when the very composition and process of the committee is being challenged in the Supreme Court. Now, to put things in context for our viewers, the Supreme Court in the last hearing had already said that when CEC is selected, the appointment is going to be conditional to the final outcome of the hearing. The hearing on this matter is to take place tomorrow. In that context, when Rahul Gandhi says this, it seems like he's being selective in his outrage.
All right. So